Hey, welcome everyone. It's Pat Mitchell here with TrickTrades.com. I want to do a free video lesson here on my AMAT trade. It was a monstrous, beautiful trade today. Let's get into it. So AMAT. Okay. Now these are the types of trades that we watch for at TrickTrades.com all the time. It's a beautiful, beautiful trade. And the reason why I was watching it, okay, I'll give you a little lesson here. This daily chart is really good. It's a beautiful, steady climb for the past couple of years. It looks like a blue chip stock. It's really nice, and then it starts getting pretty volatile, right? Now the market's been really crazy lately, so it definitely helps. So what I watch for with stocks like this is them to get extended away from the moving averages and the trend line. This is your basic trend line, and you could follow this all the way down, right? So that's the trend. So when it pops up and it pulls back, okay, it pounds through the 50 SMA, okay? So it pounds through the 50 SMA, and look, it holds. It holds the trend line beautifully. That's proving itself. This stock is proving its health. It is very healthy. It's very strong, and it starts putting in higher lows on the daily chart. Okay, so you could have taken it down in here had you noticed it. I didn't notice this until my nightly scans last night because I scan for very specific criteria, especially for plays like this. So you can see here the reason why I really liked it. It remounted the 50 SMA, okay, on the daily chart, and then it basically dojied out for a couple of days, okay, and it couldn't break the 55. So it started gapping up this morning, basically telling me that other traders saw the exact same thing I did, okay, doing their nightly scans. Guys, you got to do nightly scans. If you are going to come into the market each and every day, you better be prepared. As I always say at Chick Trades, we watch today's market for tomorrow's plays, basically boiling down to being prepared. If you are going to fall out of bed at 9 a.m., pillow creases on your face, barely half awake like a zombie, flip on your computer, and then just your computer fires up and you got your platform fired up just as the market's about to open, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail. Preparation is key to the stock market, guys. This is where the big boys come to play with their money. This isn't something to be taken lightly. Okay, it's serious. The market is serious. All right. Lots of people have made fortunes, and they've killed themselves, and they've got divorces, and the market is a serious place. It's not to be taken lightly. Okay, it's not to be looked at like with the Lamborghinis and the watches and the women on yachts, guys. That's fantasy land. All right. So I don't mean to go off on a tangent here, but come on. I mean, stop following those guys. That's ridiculous nonsense. It's fantasy land. All right. So, anyways, back to it. uh, so once it kind of gaps up, you can tell that it's got some traders' attention. All right, and where to gap up to? Right at that break of resistance, now becoming support at the 55. Okay, so now let's get into. I don't know if you guys can hear my dogs in the background, but they're complete idiots and they're wrestling in the living room. Anyways, so AMAT. Let me get zoomed in. This is why I love TC2000, folks. TC2000, when you have pre-market data turned on, it'll put this blue dash line on, okay? And that's the opening price of pre-market. And I want you to go ahead and take a look and review just random charts and mark out the opening price of pre-market and how many times it'll actually come down, even if it's a little tiny tick, a low volume tick that means nothing to most of you. How many times it'll pull back to right to the penny of that area Okay, once the market opens up and then ramps. Guys, that's secret right there. That's secret sauce, baby. I mean, that's beautiful. Go ahead. Go test it out. Go test it out and you'll see. So as soon as it dumped out in the morning, as soon as it held this level, I got long and I rode this basically up until lunchtime. I originally was going to ride this all day and then take it in for a swing, but I mean, I got my money out of it and I was really happy. Normally, I mean, let's say, okay, before I go any further, let's say you missed this opportunity, right? You weren't comfortable with taking it. I get it, guys. Where would you get in? Well, did you watch my SQ video? VWAP. VWAP held. Go long. Right? It dipped. It ripped. It pulled back. It held the VWAP. Go long and take it for a ride because it proves its health right there. Other traders will see that and they'll get in, and that's where some volume comes in. And once it breaks high a day, it'll continue to do the same, folks, and it'll rip up. So as soon as it put in a lower high way up here, this is where I pulled some profits, guys. I had 1/3 of my position left, and I took it off just right at lunchtime as it broke below the 50 SMA. So that's how I got in. That's how I got out. I know it's a quick little video lesson here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Pay attention to these free video lessons. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because if I don't see the likes down there, I'm going to start taking this free information away, because this information that I'm giving you guys for free, this can easily make you money. This is better information that's on most guys' DVDs, for Christ's sake. So definitely show your support and give a like, a share, and a subscribe. So, all right, folks, we'll catch you on the next one, and make sure to join and come check out TrickTrades.com, where we catch trades like this all the time. This is what we trade, guys. Don't get scared away from the price of these stocks. I actually had a guy on YouTube hit me up and ask me about, well, I only have a $3,000 account. How can I trade these? You don't need a lot of shares with these guys. The range involved, even with a $50 stock, you got $3,000 in your account. You can take 50, 60 shares, and it's not about making huge gains at the beginning, guys. It's about being able to make consistent money and padding that account and build it. Build it slow. Build it properly. Don't be in a rush, because you're going to trade these bullshit penny stocks and it's going to chew your account. Guys, ask anyone that's been around for years. They're going to tell you the same thing. Stay away from those penny stocks. They're garbage. It's all bullshit. Okay? Stay away from it. They're gonna do nothing but damage to your account. Okay? So remember that. Stay away from it. Learn how to trade proper stocks, and you'll have longevity in the markets. Okay? It protects you. These plain stocks like this protect you. Okay? So anyways, folks, I'll catch you on the next one. Come check out TrickTrades.com and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Adios.